Hello, Ru. Yes, Ru. Why?
We're going up in the woods.
We're going out in the woods?
Okay. But I'm getting this when might be that.
Okay.
You stay behind me, though, my dog.
Yeah, it's dark, Ru. We might get lost, Ru. Where are we going, Ru? Ru, where are we going? Oh no. Someone threw a royal, Ru. Throw it in the trash can.
Yeah,
Where? Yeah, I know.
I can fight.
Enough.
Oh, okay.
I thought we're going to the woods, Ru.
Because this is the way you do that.
Oh no, I think we're lost, Ru. We're far away from the house now, Ru. We're far away from the house. I think we're... Where?
Look.
Ha! I thought we're so far away from the house. So dark, Ru.
Yeah. I called it a G.
I can't even see you anymore, Ru. It's so dark. I think we're lost, Ru. I think we're lost, Ru. We're far away from the house, Ru.
No, no.
Ha! We're just here. Okay. Okay. Let's go. You pass in the... Oh. Yes, Ru.
Mommy.
Wow, Mommy's silly. Yeah, Mommy planted that silly, but it's so dark.
Yeah.
I think we're lost, Ru.
No.
Where are we, Ru? Where are we, Ru?
We saw paw prints last night there.
Wow.
It was paw prints and then we saw
Paw prints?
Yeah, paw prints.
Oh no.
I think it's...
Where are we, Ru?
It's from a bear.
Bear! Oh no.
And then
You scared me there, Ru.
and then it was a rainy bear.
It's a rainy bear. Oh no, you scared me, Ru. I think we're lost, Ru. We're far away from the house, Ru.
No, behind you.
Ha, okay. We're here.
Now look at my eye.
Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Tell us a story. A nighttime story. Once upon a time. Come on.
No. Once upon there was a daddy.
There was a daddy. Oh no.
And then it named Ruru.
It named Ruru?
And
Daddy's
then,
name is Ruru?
Daddy was there.
Oh no.
Also named Ruru. And then
What's the name of the daddy?
Louis Coppers and
Louis
Ruru
Coppers.
Coppers. And Ruru
What?
Coppers. And Ruru Coppers. And
Oh.
then they went to buy 3 toys.
They went to buy 3 toys.
It was a semi-hollow and a dump truck
How?
and the flatbed truck.
Wow.
And then it rained.
Oh no.
And then the daddy run fast.
Okay.
And then the baby and daddy got wet.
Oh no, they got wet.
And then they come back to get and then they forgot to get the diaper. And then it rained again.
Oh no, it rained
And
again.
then the daddy ran again.
Oh, the daddy ran fast again.
And the end.
Okay, tell me, what is the name of that daddy in your story, Once Upon a Time? What's the name of the daddy?
I'm Louis Coppers.
Who is the greatest daddy in the world?
You.
What's the name?
I'm Louis Coppers.
Wow. Dr. Louis Coppers. Okay. Okay.
Can I see that video?